The new cabinet takes oath in Karnataka. A total of 29 ministers are sworn in right at the oath-taking ceremony there at the Raj Bhavan as ministers now for Karnataka. Basuraj Bommai, the chief minister, while addressing a press conference ahead of the swearing-in ceremony, said that the new team of ministers is a mix of experience and energy. He informed that the new cabinet includes 7 OBCs, 3 SCs, 1 ST, 7 Vokkaligas, 8 Lingayats and 1 woman member. Now, importantly, Chief Minister added that Yediyurappa's son Vijayendra has not been inducted into the cabinet. While there were 3 deputy chief ministers in Yediyurappa's government, it was expected that there may be 3 this time as well. But it appears that this time, under Basuraj Bommai, there will not be a deputy chief minister. Chief Minister Basuraj Bommai, along with the newly picked ministers, met with former Chief Minister Yediyurappa at his residence ahead of the oath-taking ceremony. A number of ministers in the previous cabinet, including Jagdish Shettar, Suresh Kumar, CP Yogeshwar, Lakshman Savadi, have all been dropped from this new cabinet. Meanwhile, supporters of BJP MLAs Raju Gowda, Nehru Olekar and Arvind Bellad staged protest in Bengaluru after they were denied a berth in the new cabinet.
It's an excellent opportunity. I would like to thank my party leaders for giving me this opportunity, our Honorable Prime Minister, our Home Minister, and our party President, our Organizing General Secretary, and my Honorable Chief Minister, and my party leaders for this opportunity. I think it's an excellent opportunity to serve the people of the state.
5th time I'm taking the oath. Last government I was the industry minister. We did very well because global investors meet, land bank concept, single window system, then so many things we did. I know whatever portfolio he is allotting, definitely I'll do well. I'll bring the name to the government as well as party.
All we people, those who have come from JDS and Congress, sacrificed our MLA-ship and came to BJP, they withhold and they kept up their promise. I was agriculture minister for 1 year, 4 months. No, if they give it, I have to. I am supposed to complete some other works.
Sir,
I will be happy.
You come from a police department. Do you want to take home ministry, sir?
That is left to the chief minister. If chief minister wants home department, I will do it.
How do you feel, sir? Because
Now, we do know that there are several members who are unhappy here within the Karnataka unit of the BJP ahead of the oath-taking ceremony. Karnataka Deputy Speaker Anand Namani threatened to resign from the post if he is not given a cabinet berth. Here's what he said. Listen it.
अगर कैबिनेट में आपको स्थान नहीं मिला तो आपको प्लेस नहीं मिला तो आपका अगला स्टेप क्या होगा सर?
नहीं मैं एक 10 दिन से पहले सामान्य येडियुरप्पा जी को मिला था और प्रेसिडेंट ऑनरेबल सीएम बसवराज बोम्मई को मिला था.
ओके.
मैं 3 बार चुन गए. भारतीय जनता पार्टी निष्ठावंत कार्यकर्ता है.
ठीक है सर.
इसलिए मैं मेरे को कैबिनेट में इंडक्ट करो बोला. मैं पूछा.
ओके.
वो येडियुरप्पा जी को हमारे को वो आश्वासन देखेंगे. बोम्मई के साथ बात करते हैं, सीएम के साथ बात करते हैं.
ठीक है.
आप भी जाके सीएम से मिलो.
Sir, if you are not given a place in the cabinet, what would be your next step? Would you resign as a deputy speaker?
I think so. I meet afternoon Honorable CM Mr. Basuraj Bommai ji.
Okay.
And Yediyurappa ji. Afterwards, I will ask our party workers in my constituency.
Okay.
I will take decision.
But that is also one option for you.
Yes. हमारा constituency वाला कार्यकर्ता क्या बोलता है वो मैं सुनता हूँ.
ठीक है सर. अगर वो बोलेंगे डेप्यूटी स्पीकर से आप रेजिग्नेशन कीजिए तो आप रेजिग्नेशन करने के लिए तैयार है?
तैयार है. मैं मेरा कार्यकर्ता क्या बोलता है वो उसको रेडी है मैं.
All right, I'm going to take you through some of those ministers in the previous cabinet who've been dropped this time. So who's failed to make the cut? Senior BJP leader Jagdish Shettar has been dropped from the cabinet. You also have former Education Minister Suresh Kumar who's been dropped. Arvind Limbawali as well, multiple-time MLA, senior leader of the BJP, has been dropped this time from the cabinet. R. Shankar also has been dropped. CP Yogeshwar has been dropped from this time's cabinet. In fact, CP Yogeshwar lost his constituency as well, but he was still inducted in the cabinet the previous time. Shrivant Patil has also been dropped from the cabinet. Lakshman Savadi, also who lost his constituency, was inducted the previous time. In fact, was made the deputy chief minister. This time, he's been dropped.